So Microsoft Copilot Notebooks used to be a good idea, trapped in a half-finished product, but man, has that changed. Microsoft 365 Copilot users can now ground a notebook in more than 300 references. That includes Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDFs, OneNote notebooks, and SharePoint sites or folders. And even bigger news here, Copilot Chat users, the folks without the M365 Copilot license, well, they can use notebooks now too. It's more limited, like they can only use 50 reference files, and premium work data still needs a license, but like this is a big win for organizations. Other things, it now has mind maps that you can use to show themes and relationship and loose ends across a project. Use one to spot decisions built on something nobody has decided yet. Now, you can also create documents, workbooks, decks, or infographics directly from Notebook now. A grounded first draft beats a blank page any day. You can share notebooks with M365 groups, and access follows the team. Now, the caveat here is simple. You need to check permissions, check the facts, and check your output. A polished infographic is not automatically a correct one. But this week, take one project live, add the material, make the mind map, generate a draft document, make an infographic, see what it can do, because notebooks are finally useful. Automate already. Production, not promises.